Hey guys, it's Winnie20 for you, and today we're gonna make a 100k pack opening. Okay, let's start. Oh no, of course we have to take the premium set. Come on, give me something, give me something. Give me something good, give me something good. Who the fuck is this? I don't even know this guy. Yeah, it's a kind of a crap pack. Yes, I already spent. Oh, come on, give me that, give me that, give me some coke, give me info Ronaldo, Mosoro, yeah, Mosoro, I don't even know this. Oh, I mean, what is this? What the fuck is this? It's a. Wanna see which player I've got? I've got here Ronaldo. Yes, right. Cristiano Ronaldo, amazing stats. That was the first good player. I've got also Info Menes, and now I've got Mournier. Yeah, skillful player. No, 4-4-2 formation. That's kind of good. That's kind of good. So come on, inform Lam. Give me at least inform Lam. Elias, skillful player. Well, a kind of shit. In the very best formation. 3-5-2. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Come on, bitch. Come on. Koniko! Yeah! It's the most unknown player I've ever heard from. Oh. He might be... Yes, he might be good. Oh, let's go. Oh, 2 more packs, 1 premium gold jumbo. So, come on, give me something. Fuck. Özil! Oh! I shot Mesut Özil. Amazing. Amazing kind. Yeah, pennant is good as well. Yeah. But Mesut Özil in field. Mesut Özil. Yeah. Oh, I can buy this pack. So give me Inform Lam. Or Inform Valencia. Please, give me that. What? How long was this name? Hello, no. So guys, that was Winnie20. Hope you see you later.